Every day, every hour, every moment, we are living with lots of environmental problems. These are two of the most serious problems in the world caused by fossil fuels, such as coal or oil. So, the experts say we should find and use alternative energy or renewable energy. Among these, solar power is the most common and famous energy. Okay, hello everyone, my name is Liz. I am here to talk about how solar power works. I'm going to explain it in 3 steps. First, equipment and condition and prospect. Okay, first equipment. Basically, in order for solar power to work, 3 pieces of equipment are necessary: a solar cell, a storage battery, and an inverter. Okay, first, electricity is made via solar cells, and then it is stored in a storage battery. But at this moment, it is a direct current. Electricity used in your home is an alternating current, so an inverter is used to change it. Among these, a solar cell is the most important equipment and technique. The main material is silicon, and actually solar cell is a semiconductor, but people usually think solar panels are glasses, but it isn't. And then, a solar cell is too small, so we can't make enough voltage. So, we use a module gathered with lots of solar cells. It is the minimum unit in the solar power system. This is the solar cell basic form. Compared with the past, the present, solar cell can have many forms, like a leaf or wallpaper. Next, condition. As you know, the solar power is influenced by the amount of sunshine. Imagine the system you saw before. In order to get the most amount of sunshine, panels are usually set up obliquely like this. The angle, it depends on the seasons or the location, especially the latitude. We can calculate the angle on this website, or you can calculate it by yourself if you know your latitude. Just you can add 15 degrees or subtract it in your latitude in winter or summer, respectively. Okay, finally, prospect. The price of the solar power system is honestly higher than other energies. But according to the survey, in 15 years, the cost would be much cheaper than other energies, such as nuclear energy. Okay, next, environment. If we use the solar power, we can solve some environmental problems, which you saw at the beginning of my presentation. Also, these days, sustainability is a keyword when we developed our city, house, or transportation. It is very useful to use solar cells when we make sustainable products, as solar cells have many forms. For example, house. There are solar cells on the roof, so this house uses electricity made by solar power. Also, transportation. This bus exists in Australia, it's real. This bus uses solar power for fuel as well. Okay, to summarize, when we set up the solar power system, we need at least 3 equipment. And then, we should consider about the angle, which depends on the seasons or the location. Even though the price to install a solar power system is expensive now, but in 15 years, it would be cheaper than other energies. Besides, if we use a solar power, we can solve some environmental problems or protect our environment. The sun is never gone and never damage our environment. So, a solar power is already being used in many fields. Therefore, we need to learn and know how solar power works. Thanks.